Hello friends, welcome to SN IAS Academy. Now this video is about current affairs based MCQs and it is part 2. Now I'll be dictating you the questions and I want you people to type the answer in the comment section. So let us make this as an interactive session, okay? So only when we interact we will be able to master the answers and crack the competitive exams. So the first MCQ is, which of the following statements regarding Swasth Vayu is not correct? Option 1 is it is a ventilator. Option 2, it is national program for poultry farmers. Option 3, developed by National Aerospace Lab. Option 4, technology development to deal with COVID-19. So please type the answer in the comment section. So the answer is option 2. So what is Swasth Vayu? So as the word stands, it is Vayu. Vayu means something with air. Okay, so it deals something with air. Remember, this was developed in record 36 days. And what is it? It is actually a ventilator. Now this was developed due to a record 36 days because of the COVID-19. India were facing a shortage of ventilators. So they wanted someone to develop a ventilator. So this was the ventilator which was developed in a record time. So you'll have to remember this because this is very important for your competitive exams. Remember V, the V over here stands for ventilator. Okay, so V is V, so it is a ventilator. Do not confuse yourself. And remember, this is developed by the National Aerospace Laboratory, Bengaluru. So people will be thinking that this was developed by a pharmaceutical company or a surgical company. But remember, this was actually developed by something related to space, something related to air. Okay, lab in Bengaluru. So remember, as I told you first, Vayu is air. So it was developed in a lab with deals with air. So it is Aerospace Laboratory. Okay, remember in this way. Now the next question is, which of the following statements regarding Facebook are not correct? So Facebook, I'm sure that everyone is very familiar with Facebook, and any question regarding Facebook, I'm sure that many of the candidates will be able to answer the right option. So the first option is free basics started by Facebook. Libra is a form of currency which is associated with Facebook. Third option is Facebook has the unique distinction of being present in every nation in the world. And Facebook recently has invested in Jio. So please type the answer in the comment section. So the answer is 3. Okay, remember it is not present in every nation of the world. Remember, China has recently banned it, and North Korea, okay, practically you won't get free internet over there in North Korea. So remember, Facebook invested in Reliance Jio recently, and it acquired 9.9% stake in it. And Libra is a cryptocurrency kind started by Facebook. Now this is very important. Cryptocurrencies are the news. Every day you get some news about cryptocurrency. And next is free basics. Remember, FB is Facebook. Here also FB is free basics. This is actually free internet program, okay, developed by Facebook. And last is, everyone knows that Facebook was recently banned in China. Okay. Now the next question is, where is Virunga National Park? The first option is Congo. Second option is South Africa. Third option is Sri Lanka. The fourth option is India. Answer is 1, Congo. Remember, Virunga National Park is famous in the news because 12 forest rangers were killed in an attack in this park. Usually national parks come in news because the animals like tigers or elephants or any endangered species get killed, they come in news. But this is different, okay? Here we have the officers who protect these animals getting killed. So 12 forest rangers were killed, okay? So these officers were killed. So that is why this national park has come into news. So they might ask you this because national parks is a very often important topic for UPSC or TNPC or even for your banking exam. So out of the box they can ask you this because of the forest rangers. Now the next MCQ is, which European country has officially declared that COVID has ended? First option is Slovenia, second Finland, third France, fourth Iceland, and please type the answer in the comment section. So the answer is option 1, Slovenia. Okay, remember Slovenia has officially declared that COVID-19 has ended in their country. Now many people say it is because of the small landmass, small population that Slovenia has declared that there is no corona cases in their country. Okay, now this is very important because many people know where corona actually started, in which nation, but many people still do not know the first nation where there is no corona. Okay, so this is actually Slovenia, which declared that COVID-19 has ended in their country, especially in concern with Europe. Okay, please do not forget this because many nations falsely say that they have ended corona, but there is no official confirmation. But Slovenia is one nation which has official confirmation, and especially it is from European group of nations. Okay, so you can trust that nation, the statement issued by that particular nation. Now next is, in view of shadow bowling, which of these statements are not correct? Option 1 is practice during COVID-19. Option 2 is shortened run-ups. Option 3 is bowling in a stadium with roof. Option 4 is used in game of cricket. So please type the answer in the comment section. This is a very easy because this is something linked with sports. So I'm sure that many aspirants would be able to answer this correctly. So the answer is option 3. Remember, shadow bowling is nothing but cricket bowlers, okay? They cannot use the grounds for practice during COVID-19. Everyone knows that stadiums were closed. So what did they do? They have to maintain their fitness. So what they used to do, they used to have shortened run-ups at home to practice. Now this shortened run-ups was called shadow bowling, okay? So please do not forget this. This will be a commonly asked question in your interview because many aspirants will type hobbies as cricket. So the interviewer will ask you what is shadow bowling. Okay. So friends, thank you, and do subscribe to this channel. Do click like and do share this video with your friends because this will encourage us to do more and more videos. Thank you, friends.